All right, we're on day 2 of fully charged down in Austin, Texas. This is the electric motorcycle from Harley Davidson.
All right.
All right. And then I can just, that's it. That's insane. All right, we're gonna explain all this. All right,
So
yeah.
you got this is Harley's Revolution X motor.
All right, this is the motor, and this is the heaviest part, so you got to get it low.
So here's the motor
Okay,
right
low.
here. The motor actually turns this way.
All right.
You've got a gear that sits in here. Your belt drive, when your output drive is right here, so the belt actually goes here, runs up. You've got an idler pulley here, your final drive, and then you've got your belt tension right there.
Oh yeah, this is like, if you ever done like a timing belt on your car, it kind of looks like this. You got your belt, right, and then a tensioner, and so you got your motor right here, and it's low down. You know, I would assume that's probably the heaviest part. And then they put the batteries. This is the batteries, right?
That's your battery.
This
Now,
is your...
the way that the battery is designed is like a stressed member of the frame, just like
Oh,
on a sport
really?
bike, how your engine would be a stressed member of the frame. So your rear shock actually bolts to the battery casing.
Really? Look at that.
This is a 5-cell battery. You've got 4 cells in here.
This
You've
is
got
the
another
top of
cell
the
that
battery
goes on.
case, and it's got a mounting point for the shock. That was a good detail.
Your frame right here. So you've got a 3-piece frame. You've got your neck right here, your side piece that bolts on.
Right.
So the reason they did that, if someone ever say were to tip it over, instead of having to replace the entire frame, you literally just buy the section of it.
Oh, look at that. That's good.
And then for servicing the bike, so your belt, if you ever have to change a belt, you pull these 2 bolts off, there's a spacer that slides out. That way you can slide the belt through. You don't have to remove the entire swing arm.
This is all cast aluminum parts right here. It's cool. It looks cool. I gotta tell you, it doesn't look hokey. It looks cool. It looks cool. Because sometimes when they try and fake, they make it look like a gas bike.
Oh, yeah.
You know, that's
Yeah.
just don't even do
It's
that.
got its own unique
Just
look.
engineer the thing.
Yeah.
Make it look how it was supposed to look. You know what I mean? That's cool. All right. Thanks a lot.
Hey,
I
very
think
well.
you're gonna sell a ton of these. All right, we got the Porsche Taycan right here. So we're at fully charged. Let's just check it out. And we got Arcimoto. This is going to be good. Look out for this. Buy the stock now. Look, I got to tell you, the stock price is 1.6. That's $1.60. These things, if they do well, that price could go up. It's cheap. You know, Tesla's like $600, $650 right now. Yeah, that's tough. That's tough, you know. So we're here with Sammy's car, and you guys seen this on Rich Rebuilds. They're on all the channels here. He's got a Kickstarter for this interface now. You know, basically what it is a Tesla motor drivetrain, but been split. So here's the motor, and here's the inverter. And then that's hooked up to, I think, what's the stock transmission. Here's all your, you know, BMS and like your contactors that lets it turn on and off. Stock parts are still here. The brake booster and whatnot. I think this might be a radiator in the front. And then he's got like a display right here, almost like a Tesla. And there's tons of stuff, information on his website. This is where the batteries go. This is where the cooling system goes. last minute preparations because they just literally pulled in and they got here. And so, you know, I don't know if you recognize Sammy from some of my older videos. He was a student of mine years ago. He's evolved, he's done a lot of stuff. And, you know, here he is, right? Busy talking with people right here. So, all right, we'll catch up with him. All right, I'm here with Tiffany and Jason. Jason works for NASA. Tiffany works for, what's this called? Evo. All right, it's wireless charging for your car. All right, so behind us is the Nissan Leaf charging up. We're going to go over to that in a second. But what's the deal? You can just buy this and put it in your driveway or something?
So right now we're in the manufacturing stage, but it's just going to be available for sale, and it's going to be priced around, we're saying, under $4,000.
Wow. And you guys are located in Brooklyn, right?
Yes, but we're being manufactured in Austin, Texas.
Really? Oh, that's no kidding. All right. What do you think of this situation?
I think it's awesome. I think the more we can make the transition to EVs just an automatic thing where you don't even have to change anything about how you drive, it makes it more convenient. You just pull in your garage, your driveway, your parking spot, and immediately start charging. It's great.
So, so a question came up about efficiency, and before we even talked to Tiffany, he was saying basically the efficiency is really good. I thought it was like 50%, but it's not. It's closer to 95.
90 to 95%.
So there's not much of a loss there between actually plugging in and just driving over this little thing. So let's take a look. Would you have the unit outside or is it underneath? All right, let's take a look. Okay, so this is wireless charging.
The inverter that I guess connects to the transmitter underneath the car. If you go under, you can see it.
Okay, we're gonna get the camera underneath there. All right. So basically, it's like a pad, and there's no connection to the car. It's literally just wireless. So it's similar to a wireless charger on your phone.
Yeah.
Okay. And let's take a look over here. Hey, this is the pad. And then this gets bolted to your car. Is that going to ruin the car? No. That's probably what everybody says, right? So you just bolt this up to the car. Who does the install? So basically, you know, you could DIY it, or you could do it yourself. And then this hooks up to your charger in the car. No problem there. What's this?
Our rectifier also goes inside your vehicle.
Okay.
And the FOD.
And someone might ask, like, oh, how heavy is this? Oh,
About 20, 30 pounds.
Okay, no big deal. I picked it up. And look, it's designed in Brooklyn, New York, and manufactured in Austin. That's wild. It's a beautiful looking piece. Like, it's really like, when you look at it, it doesn't look cheap at all. It doesn't, you know, nice design here. Very cool. So, you know, where do I find out more information? Right here. Here we go. All right, so, you know, it's happening. So imagine this whole parking lot, all this out here. Imagine this all had little pads that you could just hook up anywhere. So think about it, like you go to your old store with the broken concrete and the fading lines. You're not going to want to go there. You're going to want to go to the place with the chargers. That's where you're going to shop, you know, or at work or whatever. All right, any last thoughts?
No, I can't wait to get one. I think it's awesome.
Yeah, I want one too. This is crazy. All right, EVs, man. This is the future. All right, see you later. I just went in the parking lot. I was like, hey, we're going to take me to the airport. And they're like, no problem, no problem.
Yeah.
All right, these super nice people took me to the airport straight from Fully Charged.
Demetrius.
Demetrius. And Shayla. And they have a YouTube channel coming out. We'll post it up.
Yes.
And it did sustainability and whatnot. And just the best people at Fully Charged. Like,
yes.
Just
Man,
awesome.
Fully Charged was awesome.
She's got a Jag and she wants to convert it to electric,
Yes.
so we'll see. See what happens. It's cool. And we got a class coming up, so check it out.
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right.
All right, cool. Nice. Thank you.
Awesome.